Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to re-enable Finalised Smart Stickers. You can streamline procedures and stay on top of patient-related paperwork by implementing smart stickers in your practice. Smart stickers have a variety of uses, the most popular being for treatment plans or PMB workflows. Once a smart sticker has been finalized, the ability to re-enable it will always remain possible, giving your practice the flexibility it might need. First, let's navigate to the desired data. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the Debtors segment to open the Debtors screen. Search for your desired patient in the search bar provided. Once located, click on the patient to open the Debtors sidebar. Click on the Clinical Case button to open the Clinical Case screen. From here, you can click on the Sticker button. The Smart Sticker Protocol screen will open. All of the smart stickers linked to a patient will be listed on this screen for easy convenience. Click on the Reopen button next to the Finalized Protocol. An attention pop-up will open, asking if you're sure about reopening the sticker. Click on the OK button. Click on the Save button to finish off the process, and click on the Save and Close button to return to the previous screen. The sticker will now once again be active on the patient's profile.